this item from Saker is available on Amazon. I started making these little heart-shaped, I guess you'd call it a wedding present. I made dozens of them, but I never could come up with a real good way to get an exact width on the heart here. And so probably as you can see there's some spots that are not exactly the same thickness. For example, down here, it looks like it's thicker than what it is up here. Let me see if I can do a good job of tracing this. I've got to turn it over though, because the little hook thing on the back, the hanger, gets in the way. So now we'll give this a whirl. Trace the outside. There we are. We'll lay that aside. And now I hope I've got this set up the way I want it for width. I guess I better check on this to make sure that I'm close. I'm just a little bit wide. That's okay. I can live with that. Now, start down here at the very bottom of the heart, and I'll just go right along the pointer right at the line for the outside of the heart, and we should be getting a nice clean line for the inside of the cutout. Okay, this is working out good. A couple of little bobbles, but when I saw the thing out with the scroll saw, I can correct those things. You get the idea, I think. And that ought to, looking at the piece of paper here, it's going to come out really nice. So that little operation is working out great. A little bit easier to see with the felt tip. So you can see how the whole thing turned out. I think it turned out pretty nice. Anyway, the only problem that I see with this tool is that this screw right here, there's three screws, or three knobs right here. The center one doesn't want to stay tight. I think maybe I could put a little piece of felt in between, or cardboard in between there, so it had a little grip to hold it in place. But otherwise, I've been using a pair of pliers to take care of the problem. Anyway, I may have failed to mention that this item from Saker is available on Amazon. And I believe, if I have my facts right, that this fellow that sent me this tool is a person, kind of a private contractor, I guess you would say, selling through Amazon. So that's where you can get this. And so when you finish watching this video, down below you'll see that I have given you a link where you can go to the Amazon address, and it'll show you all of the items that they're selling on Amazon. I think you'll enjoy looking at their catalog there on Amazon. So anyway, this is Wayne from What's Up Wayne, and I will see you again sometime, I believe. So take care now and be happy.